What is the essence of forming a company? This video delves into the critical aspects of company formation and the roles of directors. Discover how legal structures and responsibilities shape business operations. A company exists as a separate legal entity from its members. It can own property, enter contracts, and be held liable independently. This separation is fundamental to its operations. The doctrine of incorporation establishes this principle. It ensures the company is solely responsible for its debts and contracts. Choosing the right company structure is crucial. Private companies limited by shares are common for small businesses. Public limited companies can offer shares to the public. Companies limited by guarantee are often nonprofits. Each type has distinct legal and financial implications. Forming a company requires several legal steps. Choose a unique and appropriate name. Decide on the company structure and appoint directors. Prepare key legal documents like the Memorandum of Association. Register with Companies House and pay the registration fee. Once registered, a company must fulfill ongoing obligations. Register for corporation tax with HMRC. Maintain statutory registers and submit annual accounts. Ensure accurate financial records are kept. These steps ensure compliance and operational continuity. Forming a company offers several benefits. It provides limited liability, protecting personal assets. The company has a separate legal personality. Perpetual succession ensures continuity despite ownership changes. Access to funding is enhanced through share issues. Private and public companies differ significantly. Private companies are easier to manage and control. Public companies access capital markets but face stricter regulations. They must publish detailed financial reports. Understanding these differences is key to choosing the right structure. The doctrine of incorporation is pivotal in business law. It separates the company from its owners legally. This separation protects personal assets from business liabilities. The Salomon case established this principle firmly. It encourages entrepreneurship by reducing personal risk. The corporate veil separates company and personal liabilities. Courts may lift it in cases of fraud or misconduct. This ensures accountability when companies are misused. It protects against abuse while maintaining legal separation. Understanding when the veil can be lifted is crucial. Directors manage a company's affairs and strategic direction. They ensure legal compliance and financial oversight. Appointing qualified directors is a legal requirement. Their decisions impact the company's success or failure. Directors must act in the company's best interest. Directors come in various forms. Executive directors are involved in daily operations. Non-executive directors provide oversight and governance. Shadow directors influence decisions without formal appointment. De facto directors act without official recognition. Directors have specific legal duties under the Companies Act. They must act within their powers and promote the company's success. Independent judgment and reasonable care are essential. Avoiding conflicts of interest is crucial. Transparency in transactions is mandatory. Directors wield significant powers within a company. They can enter contracts and manage finances. Hiring senior staff and approving decisions are key roles. These powers are subject to legal and shareholder oversight. Directors must balance authority with accountability. Directors are accountable to various stakeholders. Shareholders, regulators, and courts oversee their actions. Breaches can lead to disqualification or personal liability. Serious misconduct may lead to criminal prosecution. Directors must uphold their duties to avoid consequences. Directors balance strategic and legal responsibilities, they shape company policy, and manage risks. Building relationships with stakeholders is vital. Setting ethical standards and corporate culture is part of their role. Their strategic decisions influence company success. Company formation and directors' roles are foundational in business law. Understanding legal structures and responsibilities is crucial. These elements ensure a company's success and compliance. Directors must act wisely and transparently. Their effectiveness determines a company's trajectory.